Hello ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all and welcome to our channel. Congratulations to all pioneers. So you have been grinding on Pi with us all this while, then there's a good news for you, and that's why I'm saying congratulations to you all, okay? Now, what is the good news? Pi migration has started. Whether you are expecting your second migration or first migration, it has already started and a lot of people has started receiving their Pi, okay? That is the good news. But there's a twist. Before your Pi can be able to be migrated for you, there are a few things you need to put in place, and that is exactly what we are going to be talking about in this particular video, okay? So sit back, grab a popcorn, and let's ride on. Firstly, there are a few things you need to put in place to participate in this ongoing migration phase. First thing first, before you head straight to your Pi mining app, first of all, head over to the Pi browser, okay? And if you take a look at my screen right here, you guys will see that I'm already in my Pi browser, okay? Hope you guys can see it. Welcome to the Pi browser. So once you enter your Pi browser, then you locate your wallet session immediately. Tap on the wallet real quick, then log in. You should know the strategy you are using to log in. Either you are using your 24-seed freeze or you are using your fingerprint. So I'll be entering with my own fingerprints. So let's do this, okay? I'll tap on unlock with fingerprint, then I'll verify it ASAP, then wait for it to come up. It's loading up. Alright, so this is my Pi browser right here. Hope you guys can see everything here, okay? Now, the first thing you have to do is to make sure that this particular wallet right here, just take note of this wallet right here. Take note of this wallet right here, okay? Just take note of this wallet right here. Save it in your memory before you head straight to your Pi mining app, okay? So hope you guys can see my own. I can also see my own as well. So after doing that, let's head straight to the Pi mining app. So let me come to the Pi mining app, then wait for it to load up. Then I'll take you guys on the step-by-step process on the things you have to do for you to be able to participate in this ongoing migration phase. So let me just wait for my Pi app to load up so we can proceed. I think it's coming up. It's coming up. Alright, so my Pi mining app is up now, okay? You guys can see my interface, you can see my dashboard, everything. So once you're already in your Pi dashboard, the Pi mining app dashboard, so you have to locate this three dotted line right here at the upper part. Oh, sorry guys, let me go back. This is not what I mean. Alright, so this three arrow, I want to cycle it. I don't know. Okay, you guys can see it right now, okay? You tap on it. You wait for them to bring you to the interface. Then you click on this particular one that says mainnet. That is the second one right here. I believe you all can see it. You can see home, you can see mainnet, pibrowser and everything. So click on the mainnet. Then they will bring you to the complete interface dashboard of your account. So these are the ones that, let me just say that is mined by my unverified. So there's nothing for me right here. Then this is the one that is transferable, the one that they will transfer for me, and this is the one that they have already transferred for me earlier. So now what do you have to do? Once you are in this particular phase, you have to come at this particular place that it says configure lockup rates. That is the first thing you have to head straight to. So if you take a look at my dashboard right here, you guys will see that they say automatically lock up a portion of my transferable balance to mainnet upon my next balance migration. My Pi will continue to be locked up at this rate for future mainnet transfers unless adjusted later. So this particular settings right here is the one that I used to receive my previous Pi, which is the one I have initially. I locked up 50% of my Pi for 3 years, but this particular migration, I don't want that to happen again. So now what do we have to do? We have to slide back all these buttons, okay? I'll bring it back to 2 weeks. So the lockup duration will only serve for 2 weeks. Then I'll bring this one back again to 25%. Hope you guys see what I did. Return the button right here. So now I'm locking up only 25% of what they are sending to me for just 2 weeks. Hope you guys can see it. For just 2 weeks, okay? That's why you have to make sure they say lock up a portion of my Pi transferable mainnet upon my next migration. So you have to bring it from the previous migration you did to this new one so that everything will be so fast. They are locking up 25% for just 2 weeks and everything will be open for me. So I'll just scroll up a bit. After you bring back all those things, then you click on increase commitment to lock it up. So let's tap on increase commitment. Okay, they have already locked up. They have already locked it up. They say lockup duration countdown will begins after the transfer to mainnet has completed. Beautiful. You guys can see success. Lockup settings updated. So this is the new rule that they are going to apply for me for this next migration that is coming. Hope you guys can see it. I'm not going to wait for 3 years again to receive my tokens. Just 2 weeks, only 25%, and everything will be unlocked for me. So after you've done this particular one, you come back right here. Then you come to this particular one that says mainnet checklist. Mainnet checklist. Tap on it. Click on the mainnet checklist to see your mainnet duration and everything. You see your mainnet checklist. They say please follow these steps to prepare for the transfer of your Pi mobile balance to the mainnet. So you guys can see that everything is check marked right here. Everything is completed green except this number 3. That's why I told you guys that there is a twist. Okay, this one that says confirm your Pi wallet. All right, hope you guys can see my Pi wallet right here. And if you take a look at the Pi browser that I showed you guys initially, you guys can see that this is my wallet. This is my Pi wallet, right? So it is accurate. So now what did they say here? They say confirm your Pi wallet. Start. You have confirmed the wallet, but you need to finish the 2-factor authentication process to get migrated. Now they say your confirmed wallet address is this particular one. So that's why I said initially that you should take note of the wallet that is in your dashboard. So all I have to do is just to tap on it like this. Now they say confirm your Pi wallet. Manually unlock the wallet using your passphrase to demonstrate you can access it. This also confirms that your mainnet balance will transfer to the wallet. They say never enter your passphrase on any other arbitrary page. So now what do I have to do? You guys have to give me a few seconds so that I will just put my passphrase right here so we can proceed. Alright guys, so if you take a look at my screen right now, you guys will see that I've already entered my passphrase. So the next thing I have to do is to click on confirm your wallet so we can proceed. I'll click on confirm your wallet, then wait for it to load up. Beautiful. Now they say email sent. They've already sent a confirmation code has been sent to your email. They say click the link in the email to complete the wallet verification. So let me head straight to my email and verify the and click the link that they sent to me. Okay. All right. So I'm already in my email, and if you take a look at my dashboard right here, you guys will see Pi network confirm your migration wallet. So I just have to open the message and see what they wrote. So they say blah blah blah. This email has been sent because your confirmed migration wallet address, this and that. They say verify your migration wallet. No, I didn't initiate this. Okay, so you just have to tap on verify your migration wallet. So I will click on verify your migration wallet so that they will process everything. They say please open this email in your mobile device and select the link to continue. Let me tap on it so that it will take us to our mobile device. No, not this one. Come back a bit. Okay, so they say I should open this email in my mobile device and proceed. So let me just click on verify your migration again. Let's see what's up. They still repeat the same thing. Please open this email on your mobile device and select the link to continue. Anyway, let me just tap on social bar, click on download Pi now, download the mobile app and stuff like that. I already have it. Let me just click on it. Let's see if it will take us back to our dashboard. Okay, I need to update it. Maybe probably that's why. Let's wait for it to update and we'll proceed. Alright, so it's done updating. You guys can see it's already installing. So let's give it a few time. Then we'll continue and see if anything changes. So let's go back to our Pi app and see if they have verified it. Or maybe we should continue with the verification again. So let's just wait for them to load it up. So please, when doing this, you have to take your time. Okay, you have to take your time, right? So let's come back here. Let's click on mainnet checklist and see what is there. Let's see if they have verified it or not. Click on mainnet checklist. Okay, they say we still need to confirm this, so we need to refollow the process again. Okay, so I refollow the process again and they still return this email to me. They are still saying the same thing. If I tap on the email, they keep saying open this email on your mobile device and select the link to continue. So probably let me see if I can open it in my browser. So click on open with browser. Let's see what will happen right here. So maybe probably they will accept this particular one and see what's up. Oh la, Beautiful. That's exactly what they want from us. So once you see the email, you long press it and open it in your mobile browser. That is what they mean by open this email in your mobile device and click the link to continue. Okay, you guys can now see verification successful. You have successfully verified your wallet. Your Pi rewards will be migrated to this particular address. So please, you guys should take note of this particular information, because I did this firstly and I didn't get it clear, not knowing that I just have to open it in my browser. Okay, so if you tap on it and they take you to open it in your phone, just come back and long press that particular one that they say verify my email. If you hope you guys saw what I did, you long press it, then it will bring open with browser. Tap on open with browser and automatically you get your verification. Easy peasy. Okay, it's as simple as that. So now they say verification successful. All I have to do right now is to click on this particular one that says go back. Okay, so now let's go back. Let's go and check. Click on mainnet. Click on mainnet checklist, and hola guys, everything has been check marked green complete. So I'll be expecting my own migration anytime soon from now. Okay, and once I got migrated, I'll get you guys notified. All right, so now there's something that's really happening. A lot of people wallet address has been compromised, so I really want to talk about that. Okay, so if you know that your wallet has been compromised, because the system that these guys are using right now is that maybe those that clicked on phishing link and so on and so forth, a lot of people account has been compromised. So what you see is that at some point you will see transaction, they will credit your wallet with some amount of Pi, then later they will wipe it with everything in your wallet. So now what do I have to advise? My little intake right here is, if you know you are part of those people, just know that your wallet has been compromised. It has been compromised, right? All you have to do is just to make sure that you change the wallet. Okay, you change the wallet. Come to pibrowser right here. Wait for it to come up, because there's nothing you can do with an already compromised wallet. They already have your detail in their phishing sites or waiting call, so they can monitor you. So you just come to wallet right here, then click on this particular button that says lost your passphrase. You can create a new wallet. So let's just look as if to say you have lost your passphrase. Then click on create new wallet. Then they will give you new wallet details, new wallet passphrase. Then you come back to this particular place and re-verify it when you are trying to verify. Come back to this mainnet checklist. Okay, so when you are trying to re-verify it, tell them that you don't really accept it, so you can follow the process and change the wallet address right here. I hope you guys understand, so that your next migration will be migrated to your new wallet, not the old one again. And for those that have some coins in the ones that has been compromised, maybe probably your coin is under lock and you are awaiting unlock, well, there's nothing you can do. The only thing you just have to do is to make sure that you know the actual date and time that they are going to unlock your coin for you, so that you'll be very active ahead of those guys. So immediately your coin drops, you transfer it out to either another Pi wallet or an exchange to be on the safer side. So that is just it. Okay, and that is just that for that particular information. So do well to take note of everything we've said in this particular video. The video is already long somehow, but we are just trying to get everything right. Okay, so we have to be very careful when it comes to clicking on phishing links and unverified links, most especially on this Pi and a whole lot of it all. So it will be a very painful thing that after working for a very long time, somebody from somewhere nowhere will just come and take all your proceeds. It's not going to make sense. Okay, so we just have to be very careful with all our dealings, and I wish everybody the best. Okay, so stay tuned and sure to watch this video and share it, so that we all should stay tuned and see how it turns out to be. So once I receive my next migration, I'll come back here and update you guys. Okay, thank you for watching. Enjoy yourself, enjoy the rest of your day, and make today a beautiful day in your life. So bye for now. See you in our next video.